Today, I'll show you how to make another simple bracelet. Crafted from simple copper wire that can be found anywhere, this bracelet is proof that beauty lies in simplicity. Fast to make, easy to love. Take about 12 to 13 inches of 18-gauge wire. There are several options for base wire. I use 3.1 millimeter half-round wire for the base that you can buy from my store. You can also use 10-gauge round wire or two 16-gauge wires. The length of the base will be the circumference of your wrist. I took a little longer to align the ends later, relative to the ends of the middle decoration. This is where I plan to place the decor. For wrapping, I use two 22 twisted wires, which you can buy in my store or make yourself. I didn't measure the length of this wire, but it should be about 50 centimeters. Continue to the mark. Use a plastic hammer to level the surface. Align the edges and process them with a file. Give the required shape using a regular rolling pin. We have finished our bracelet. It took us about 15 minutes to make it. Let's take a closer look and enjoy the result. Subscribe to stay up to date with new projects. Hope to see you soon.